Hello everyone, my name is Jidnyasa and I welcome you all on this show, The Walking Head. Have you ever faced failure in your life? Of course, every one of us does face failure in some or the other phase in their life. And we get depressed after that, or we get sad and discouraged because we must have had a dream about that particular work, and failing into it makes us discouraged. After failing into something, what we usually do is sit and cry for that particular dream, cry for that failure. But guys, you know what? We must overcome this failure and start moving ahead towards the path and our success. Many people think that failing in their life is the end. But it is not so. Your life does not end over here. Do not give a pause to your life. Getting one failure in your life doesn't mean your life ends over here. You have lot many years to come in your life ahead, and you can achieve success every time, any moment in your life. So do not get discouraged because you get failure. You need to develop a positive attitude and positive mindset to overcome this failure. And I remember one thing over here. There's a seminar especially for youth, in which they are going to tell you how to unlock the powers within you and how you can overcome failure and grab new opportunities in your life. So the seminar is on 16th of August. That is this Sunday. It's from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Actually, I'm going to attend that seminar and it's free, so I thought of sharing it with you. Maybe you will benefit a lot from it. I'm attaching a registration link in the description below, so please check that out. And now, as I said that you need to overcome your failure, you need to beat your failure and move ahead in your life for achieving the success, I'm going to give you 3 mind-blowing steps that will help you out for overcoming your failure. So without wasting much time, let's move on to those 3 mind-blowing points. So our first step for overcoming failure is to have a super willpower within you. Even if you failure once, twice, thrice, or hundreds of times, doesn't matter, because what matters the most is your own dream. If you are willing to complete your dream, achieve your success and goal, then you will not wait anywhere in your life. Even if you fail hundreds of times, you will not give up. And for that, you need to have a strong willpower within yourself. You know that whatever work you are doing is worth enough and you will definitely get success. If not now, but at least someday. So trust in yourself and do have a strong willpower. This will help you to overcome failure, because whenever you feel discouraged because of the failure, you will be reminded of your goal, and the willpower will help you to overcome your failures. Our second important step is to develop good skills within you. Developing quality skills is really very important nowadays. You think that you have achieved a degree or a master's degree in any academic career. You cannot say that you have whole knowledge about everything after achieving those degrees. For that, you need to take knowledge continuously. You need to develop skills within you. And from the previous failures, you have realized what mistakes you have done. You know where you have gone wrong, where you could not give enough of your efforts, and you have recognized every single thing that you made wrong. So now you have to work on them, develop skills within you. So next time when you try doing that work, you will do it very properly. So developing skills within you is really very important. So make sure you learn one single thing every day and develop your skills and move towards your path and success. Now, moving on to a third and last very important point is to have patience. Hear me carefully, you need to have a lot of patience in your life. Because you have learned from your previous experiences that getting success is not a one-day game. You need to work continuously for hours and hours, days and days, and for months and months. Only then you get success what you were dreaming for. And for this you require a lot of patience within you. So please never expect that you have developed skills within you now and tomorrow you're going to get your success. It does not happen like that. For that you need to be patient enough. You need to keep on continuously working. Focus on your work and automatically you will start seeing results in your life sooner or later. So please try being patient as much as you can and see you can overcome your failure, because this is the main important thing that happens whenever you face failure in your life. You start on thinking, why did I fail? Why did not I succeed in it? And you become impatient and you want your success so badly. But this behavior is not going to help you at all in your life. So try being patient always. Have good willpower, develop skills within you, and these 3 points will definitely help you to overcome your failure and you can move ahead easily in your life and you can achieve your goals and success. Well, this is for now. This were the 3 important points that I wanted to share with you today. Tell me in the comment section below, did you like these 3 points and which one are you going to implement in your life? Also, if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe over here and like my video. We will meet again in the next episode in the next week. Till then, take care, stay safe and be happy. Bye-bye.